If you're just starting out, the fastest closes are small businesses. If you really want to make your first dollar quick with entrepreneurship, then reaching out to small businesses, restaurants, tiny companies is the best way to make your first dollar or second dollar, third dollar. It's not the best thing long term, but it is a great way to make a buck online. How do I know that? Because I made my first dollar from selling to restaurants. And you can do the same thing, selling to small businesses in bulk on Leadshark. That's what I want to talk about in today's video. Here's how you can generate small business leads yourself. But before we jump into it, before I show you this tool, make sure to like this video to encourage this type of content and subscribe down below for more videos like this. First of all, what is a small business? Any business with 1 to 10 employees is a small business. This could be a restaurant. This could be a local plumbing service, a cleaning business. My favorite types of companies to sell to are B2B companies, but you can't really reach out to small B2B companies and you're going to have to go larger. So in today's video, we're talking about small businesses, and good things to sell to these guys are things like lead generation with Facebook ads, websites, SEO, copywriting for menus. I guess you could try to rewrite the restaurant menus like I did back in the day. Anything that involves a direct revenue increase for the business will be a good thing to sell them. Why is it important to generate leads? Well, if you're trying to reach out to companies and you're using the superpower that is called email, you're writing an email to people that don't know you and you're pitching your product and service to them, then you're going to need a list of contacts to reach out to. And that is why I started a company, Leadshark. So I want to show you how to use Leadshark to find small business leads so that you can send cold emails to them, book some meetings, hopefully make your first dollar, and continue on your entrepreneurial journey from there. So let's go over to Leadshark and I'll show you how to do this. Start by going to leadshark.com. Or if you want the special offer, you can go to leadshark.com/YouTube. Then sign into the platform. So you start by going into the Leadshark platform, and let's pick exactly what we're looking for. In industry, I'll pick restaurants. Then for job title, we can either pick manager, we could pick founder. For right now, I'm gonna leave the job title open and we can see what to pick from there. Then lead location, we can either leave it open and go worldwide, or we'll search United States. Then number of employees, let's make sure we select small business. So that's 1 to 10. And we can even go a little bigger and do 11 to 50 as well. And from here, we'll hit start searching. You can see now we have a ton of results here and we have job title information. So for instance, who are these people? These are CEOs, co-founder, owner, founder, president. And from here, we can limit this now to just those qualified contacts. And here we go, 686 leads that match the target criteria, with a ton more being added every day. And these are local business owners that we can then reach out to and pitch our service to them. And these are just restaurants, but there's a ton of other ones inside of Leadshark. In fact, we could just open up the criteria and search just small business owners that are the founders, CEOs, presidents, all that stuff. And we can find a ton of these 208,000 leads in the United States that match this target criteria. And if we want to just get very, very small and search 1 to 10, let's see what we get here. There are 97,000 leads in here. That's crazy. All founders, all at businesses that are small enough to answer their emails and possibly become your first dollar. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Berman.